We actually didn't really have a very streamlined process for planning projects, so we developed this system called a Waterway Action Plan, which was enabled us to basically put money into the highest priorities. Yeah, we undertake inspections of the property. So the way we look, we have like a geomorphologist and a botanist, and also a field officer from the CMA. And actually, they go out and actually inspect. We'll try and inspect all the properties within a given area. We get the landholder involved as well. We ask the landholder lots of questions as well around what are some of the issues they've got on their property. At the end of the project, it's all the information's incorporated into an action plan. A really important part of it is actually engaging with the community and increasing community participation in the project. We have a presentation to all the community, and it's a good way of actually talking about the whole program and how each of those landholder maps or their actions fit into the bigger picture. And I think we've had around 100 families that have been involved recently with over the last few years with the Waterway Action Plans. I think from the feedback we're getting from landholders, they really find that whole process is really educational. It's something that they're finding new things that they hadn't found out before about their property and some of the really unique species they've got.
The value of Waterway Action Plans in protecting native vegetation is quite considerable. We've discovered during the Waterway Action Plans that a lot of these really valuable remnants can be fenced out from stock, and so therefore permanently protected into the future. It's really important to fence it off, because without the fencing off there is always pressure on remnant vegetation. The little seedlings are the things that get eaten out by the stock, particularly in drought times and even just dry summers. The stock get into those areas because all the fodder in the paddocks is eaten out. Without the action plans to fence out those areas, that sort of species diversity is just lost. I've been quite amazed actually how many rare plants there are still on farmland in this district. Also, we've found a number of plants which are unnamed species, which has been even more exciting, that we're finding new plants that have never been discovered before. That is very, very exciting.